This is the chassis harness. The chassis harness. This is the stock number that you would get. That came out of the MX230. Everything worked good on the tractor. We took our time to take the harness apart without cutting, ripping anything apart. There is one spot, I'll show you here in a second, that it had been repaired once. And it will need to be reconnected before it's installed. This here looks like it may have a bad cover. All the stuff you can get as long as you know what you're looking for, and I don't. So that one little wire there, there's already a connector there for it. This is the chassis harness only. This is not, there's just nothing else with it. It's the chassis harness. Cab harness is not with it. The hitch harness is not there, and the engine harness is not here.